cartridge seal by rotating the cap clockwise while pushing it down for 2 rotations, or until the cap rotates freely. Make sure the cap is fully pushed down. Remove the paper wrapper from the cartridge by tearing it along the perforated seam and discard it safely. Open the dispenser's front cover and select the desired setting, 30, 60, or 90, depending on your preference for strong, normal, or light intensity of fragrance, respectively. The default dispenser setting is for 60 days, which is the normal fragrance intensity. You can increase the intensity to a stronger one by selecting the 30 days setting, or reduce the intensity to make it lighter by selecting the 90 days setting. Open the battery compartment of the dispenser to insert 2 AA alkaline batteries. Using the 2 ribs at the bottom of the cartridge as a guide, push the cartridge firmly into the dispenser unit until it locks into place. The cartridge is now activated. You'll know this because a green light will start flashing continuously on the base of the dispenser, and you will start smelling the fragrance close to the dispenser. After 2 minutes, the green light flashes only every 15 seconds. 1 green light flashing every 15 seconds indicates a 1 month or 30 days setting. 2 green lights flashing every 15 seconds indicates a 2 months or 60 days setting. 3 green lights flashing every 15 seconds indicates a 3 months or 90 days setting. To eject the empty cartridge, push the button at the bottom of the dispenser. Lift the front cover and remove the empty cartridge. The dispenser must be installed as far away as possible from any air extraction units or from any open doors to prevent the fragrance from getting sucked out. It is best to position the dispenser in the middle or the end of the room or under the sink.